I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, welcome back to another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series. In today's video, I'm participating in a Getting Ready for Fall collaboration hosted by my sweet friends JANNY and DYANNE over at DECOR Easy. Now, a wonderful group of ladies have got together to participate in this collab, guys. So I'll leave a link to the playlist down below, so be sure to check them out. Now, the rules, guys, were really simple. Show how you get ready for fall. It could have been a DIY project, a room tour, some decorating ideas, or a fall haul. In today's video, I'm taking this pumpkin that I started doing a DIY on last year, guys, and did not like the outcome. So today I'm going to give it a complete makeover. Now, I started by heading to Spotlight and I got a box of these clear crystal gems. And what I'm going to do first of all, guys, is take the pumpkin outside and I'm going to give it 2 coats of this beautiful silver spray paint. I love this silver spray paint, guys. It's almost like glass.
I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life.
Now, I gave it 2 coats, including spraying with glitter. Now, what I'm going to do here is take these crystal gems and I'm going to hot glue them around the top of the pumpkin.
I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose.
We're going to continue around until the entire pumpkin is covered.
I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. 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 Do without you.
With the fall season fast approaching for my overseas friends, I know everyone is really excited for decorating for fall. I love bringing out my pumpkins and sharing simple and inexpensive ways where you can give them a complete makeover.
Oh, I can't believe you are mine. I'll never let you down.
Because I'm a glam girl at heart, I absolutely love taking something as simple as this pumpkin. This pumpkin, guys, was my very first pumpkin I ever picked up from a thrift store. You may remember I had it painted turquoise for a very long time. I started doing different DIYs on it, but I knew that I could create something with some silver spray paint and something as simple as these crystal clear gems.
I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. 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 Do without you.
Now, guys, I've left that playlist listed down below for you to go and check out all the amazing talented YouTubers who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. I'm so excited to see all their videos, and I know you will be too. So be sure to click on the playlist down below. Now once the pumpkin was completely covered, I then went in and added some more glitter to the top of the stem. Now a really easy tip when adding glitter, guys, is to first of all spray the surface with some hairspray and make sure that you leave it for a few minutes and it becomes quite tacky. Then I added the glitter to the top. Then I went back in with a couple more sprays of hairspray.
Swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
And to complete the project, I then went in with one of my Chanel ribbons. Now guys, I get asked all the time where I get these Chanel ribbons from. I get them from eBay, and I'll leave them linked down below.
You'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. Each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Guys, I truly love how this DIY project came. I love that I shopped my own home. I took something that I thought didn't turn out too well, but I come back to it, guys, and gave it a new lease of life with something as simple as spray paint and a few crystal gems.
I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home glam. I love all glam decor, guys. I love everything rustic and a little bit of farmhouse too. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
All your love, give me all your love.
I wanna hold your body close to me. I wanna take you where you've never been. Swear I won't break
A big shout out has to go to my beautiful friends JANNY and DYANNE over at DECOR Easy. Thank you so much for creating such a wonderful collaboration. I'd like you to all go over, guys, and check out the amazing playlist listed down below of all the talented YouTubers who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating for fall. don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.
With you, I wanna say that I wanna is you now. Maybe we can dance the night away. That's what I wanna do now. I want you to stay right here with me. Stay with me. Think I've got fire running through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me, I understand today.
So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.